guys, and now we're going to do another tutorial video. As you can see, you have 3 meetings currently, but that's not what we're going to do today. Today, right now, I am going to sign out of my account, and I am going to close the app. And so currently, I have the Zoom app right here, as you can see. Okay, lower right side corner of the screen. And I logged out before I left, so I'm going to have to log back in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on the app. And as you can see, you can join a meeting or you can sign in. So you want to sign in. Uh, First thing I'm going to do is I am going to sign in as a room in Pan American language that I have been assigned to for a class that I am going to be giving. So let's switch it up a little bit. I'm going to write room 109 at Pan American language. This room has not, currently it does not have any meetings assigned to it yet. But I just wanted to let you know that, and that way you guys can have an idea of how rooms are determined or are established. Now, this is San Patricio. Remember, if this would be Caguas, it would have a CA here, okay? So for now, it's room 109 at panamericanlanguage.com. I wrote the password, which everyone should have. If you do not, please call Nicole or anyone at the office. They'll be able to give you the password. So you hit sign in, and now you're in here, okay? And some of you have had difficulties switching accounts, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that again. Now I'm going to switch to my personal account. And to do that, I am going to write my email, which is my personal email. Well, not my personal, but my email, my work email that has my account. I'm going to do my password here really quick, and I will sign in, and I'm switching an account. Now, this is what I want you to see. From my personal account, I have up here, I have the home button, which is, this is what's happening today, right? I have the chat feature, and I have all the meetings that I have upcoming. So today, I had a meeting at 10 a.m. with the administrative team. There was a free English class at 11. And now, as you can see here, this is the basic course for today. And this is the workshop. So the reason why I wanted to show you this was so that everybody can see the amount of meetings that you probably will find in different accounts. Now, remember, the recurring meetings are the ones that are going to be mostly your classes, okay? But in order to determine whether it is your class or it's not your class, you have to be in the lookout for the code that every group in Pan American language, or every group of students, right? Every course that you're offering has. So this could be Pali instead of Part 3 Instructors Workshop. It could be Pali 20-023, English, Monday and Wednesday, 5:30 to 7, for example, okay? So just make sure that you look at the title of the meeting. It's important. And then once you're here, if you're 5 minutes before the start of a class, you can hit start, or you can start before that, but you hit start here. This is if you go into meetings. If you're at home, which is your probably the best and simplest option, the upcoming meetings are going to be here, okay? So see what I did there? I just clicked on view today's upcoming meetings, and boop, I have all the meetings that are upcoming now. So this is today. So it's going to be pretty simple because you're going to find your code there. Once you're in your code, then you can start the meeting. These are all the meetings that are happening today that I am invited, or I'm a host, or I'm working with them, okay? Alrighty, so I'm going to join. Don't tell anyone, but what I'll do right now is I'm going to join this meeting. Let's see what happens, okay? So I hit join. And you have other meeting that is in process. You need to end that meeting. So oh, wait a minute. Maybe we don't want to do that. Maybe we want to go here. That's the meeting I need to go.
you can try to see if you can hear us. Pedro, welcome. How are you?
Hey.
Pedro, can you hear me?
If it's Pablo you're talking to, yes.
You have a problem with the connection too? I'm unmuting you to see if I can hear you, but I can't hear you.
Okay, yes, I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Pablo.
Yes, I thought you were talking to Pedro. My name is Pablo, but yes, it's okay. Now,
Sorry,
Jelka,
yes.
let's do something because I'm videotaping this for a small video that I'm doing. Now,
Yes.
do you find if you click on your picture, do you have a button that says mute?
On my picture?
Yes.
Yes.
And right
Yes.
next to it, do you have 3 small dots?
Yes.
Can you click on
I
that,
do.
please?
I already did, yes.
Okay, can you
And
click
what
on
should I-
rename? Click on rename and write your name, please.
Perfect.
I want you to do that, and I would like everyone to see you doing that because that's something that everybody needs to do once they're in their account. And then and you see, now she has her name here. Okay, I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And it was a good meeting experience, and we're done.